Ever wondered if your crypto wallet could be more than just a place to hold your digital assets? What if you could actively trade, swap, and engage with the broader decentralized finance world, all from the convenience of a single, secure application? Today, we're diving into the capabilities of Bifrost Wallet and answering that burning question: can you trade on Bifrost Wallet? For many in the crypto space, a wallet is often seen as a storage solution, a digital vault for your coins and tokens. And while Bifrost Wallet certainly excels at secure, non-custodial storage, meaning you always control your private keys, its functionality extends far beyond simple holding. It's built to be a gateway to Web3, a portal to the decentralized ecosystem. So, let's get straight to it. Yes, you absolutely can trade and interact with various decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols directly through your Bifrost wallet. It's not a centralized exchange in itself, but rather a powerful tool that enables you to connect with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and other dApps. Think of it this way: Bifrost Wallet acts as your secure interface. It allows you to manage your diverse crypto portfolio, supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens across multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Flare, Songbird, XRP Ledger, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and more. But its real power comes from its integrated Web3 browser. This in-app browser is your key to unlocking trading. You can navigate to popular DEXs like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or even Flare-native DEXs like Spark DEX directly within the Bifrost Wallet app. Once connected, your Bifrost Wallet securely interacts with these platforms, allowing you to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and participate in various DeFi activities without ever leaving the wallet environment. For example, let's say you want to swap some Ethereum for a specific ERC20 token. You'd simply open the dApp browser in Bifrost Wallet, go to a DEX like Uniswap, connect your wallet, and execute the swap. The transaction details are clearly presented in Bifrost Wallet for your review before you sign, preventing what's known as blind signing and giving you full transparency over your actions. Beyond direct token swaps on DEXs, Bifrost Wallet also supports fiat on-ramps, allowing you to buy crypto directly within the app using traditional payment methods. This streamlines the process of getting into crypto, making it easier for new users to acquire assets they can then use for trading or other DeFi interactions. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet is deeply integrated with the Flare and Songbird ecosystems. This means enhanced support for features like delegating wrapped FLR, WFLR, automatically claiming FTSO rewards, and managing facets like FXRP and FBTC. These functionalities, while not trading in the traditional sense, are crucial aspects of engaging with and maximizing your assets within these networks, often involving interactions with decentralized protocols. The security of your assets during these operations is paramount, and Bifrost Wallet takes this seriously. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning your private keys are stored securely on your device, not on a centralized server. The wallet has also undergone independent security audits, ensuring a robust and trustworthy environment for your crypto activities. In essence, while Bifrost Wallet isn't a trading platform that matches buyers and sellers directly, it's a powerful and secure portal that empowers you to engage in a wide array of trading and DeFi activities across various blockchain networks by connecting to decentralized applications. It puts the control and the trading power directly in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.